Okay, it's Tuesday, December 27th. This is a midday SPY update. And on the first update in the morning, I discussed how we started lower, broke below the first bar low and started lower. So you could have been short right here. But the fact was, on the daily chart, we still hadn't taken out the midday the midpoint of the prior day, and to be careful, we wanted to see an orderly pause here and continuation. I said if it came to the halfway point of the first bar, then that would likely be a small stop, and to expect the highs of the day to be taken out, possibly head up to the pre-market highs. So what happened was we came to the midpoint of that first bar, and we kind of worked our way up near the first bar high, paused a little bit, attempted to break out again here, and now we're getting a big red bar to the downside. So I'm going to call this the beginning of a failure of this inside bar to kind of work towards the these two highs here, the pre-market highs, and start lower again on the day, kind of working down to the bottom of the range, and we'll just see how much downside might pick up here. At the minimum, I expect it to take out the way it came up here and paused and set up some stops here. I expect this red bar to take out that area, and then we'll see if we can build a little momentum towards the lows of the day and kind of get that up failure here where we took out the high of that bar, and we have to get to the lows of today to take out the midpoint of the prior inside bar, and that should send us down here as well. So on the weekly chart, we still can't quite start green. We're right, it's very neutral here to start the day. Nothing much has happened today, but we've tried to, we started down, we failed a little bit, at least in terms of price action, and then we started up twice and couldn't make it with a big red bar. So I think we're going to come down here, take out take out these stops here, and then at that point we'll see if we can get to the lows of the day, which would be kind of a confirmation of the failure. On the upside, it will allow that weekly bar to start getting red, and then we can start thinking for the rest of the week a little lower here on the day. Let's see if this bar is kind of the start of that. And again, step one will be taking out the stops right here, and at that point you can almost set up a no risk trade to see if we can head to the lows of the day.